So the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 will be launched in less than a month of time, unlike last year and a year before. The word on the street is that the Unpacked event this time will likely be held in person in New York, and as we are approaching the event, more details about the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are starting to emerge. We have 3 new updates to talk about, starting with some official leaks. First, we have the official look at the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It gives a side profile of the phone in the Bora purple colorway, and honestly, it doesn't reveal anything new, as we've already exclusively revealed the first ever hands-on images of the phone a few weeks ago. But still, you can see a more squared-off design, a slimmer hinge, and cameras that look much more pronounced. Now, we don't have the official look at the Z Fold 4, but interestingly, Ice Universe posted this image on Twitter yesterday and deleted it just a couple of minutes later. Now, he didn't mention that it is the Z Fold 4 nor anything about it. He just uploaded and deleted the image a few minutes later. But the fact that the image is of potato quality implies that we are indeed looking at the Z Fold 4. Also, if you notice, the hinge is a little thinner compared to the Z Fold 3. And it's a little wider as a result, but apart from that, it looks almost virtually identical to its predecessor. And by the way, this leak goes in line with the information we have about the handset so far. Anyway, Evan Blass has revealed the color and storage options of the handset, and it includes beige, burgundy red, gray-green, and phantom black colorways with 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage variants. There was a rumor that Samsung will also offer a 1TB storage option as well, but it's not mentioned here. That's because it is going to be limited to certain markets. Now, the Z Fold 4 hasn't been made official yet, but the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 are already starting to make the rumor rounds. This report is coming from South Korea, from the Elec, which has a good track record. It mentions that Samsung isn't feeling too confident about the sales prospects of the 5th gen foldables, as Samsung is expecting significantly fewer sales compared to the 4th gen foldables. It expects to ship 10 million units of both of these devices combined, out of which 2 million are for the Z Fold 5 and 8 million for the Flip 5. By the way, this is 5 million units fewer than what Samsung expects the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to sell. The report also mentions some specifications of the Z Fold 5, and it includes a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a 50MP main rear camera, and a 12MP front camera, which is up from 10MP on the Z Fold 4. Of course, with that being said, for all the latest updates on the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.